Today in the YouTube video we're going to discuss about Java criminal record management system today. Okay, the basic idea is system where police or admin can add criminals, record crimes, search criminals, update case status. So there are four functionalities are there in this module. We need to achieve this four functionality: adding criminals functionality. So record crimes, you need to record the crimes also, what crime happened and who is the criminal committed for that crime. You can also search the criminal list. There should be search option. We need to store the criminal data so that they will verify the criminals list. Update the case status, you can see. So for this criminal app, com.criminal.app, the package name is com.criminal.app. And the model, you can see we need to create two projects. One is criminal.java, other thing is crime.java. We need to record the crime related details, so we need a plain object for that, Java Pojo, and the criminal.java is another Pojo. Okay, so the thing is, and we need to create a service, criminal service.java under service package. We need a DAO also, criminal DAO.java, and main app.java. So now the criminal Pojo is having ID. What is the ID of criminal? Name. What is his name? What is the crime he committed? What is the status of whether he is outside or inside the prison? We don't know, right? So we need to specify the status. We can give some status there. So DAO layer in memory for simplicity. For now, DAO layer we are not actually using any data source connection, but it's simple in memory. You see, we're going to create a list of criminal object. Okay, array list object. We created a criminals array list, and we have both setter getter. You see. We need to create a public void add criminal method in this class, and other thing is return list of criminals, and there is another method, find by ID. We need to find the criminal details by his ID. So we are going to create that object as well. We are iterating the criminals list, and we are able to return the actual matched data. So this is simple DAO layer, in-memory DAO layer. Go to the service layer, criminal service.java, you can see here. Criminal service, okay, and then we are going to declare object of criminal DAO, okay, and public access specifier is private, and you see the register criminal method. You need to pass ID, string name, string what is the crime, or criminal name, and what is the crime. And after that we are actually creating object of criminal class, and then we are adding that criminal to the DAO list. Okay, and we also need to update the status. See what is the status, criminal see DAO letter find by ID. Okay, we need to set the status also. It is open or closed. Okay, for status variable we are just giving a open or closed two statements here. Okay, and now you see the criminal service is having two methods: register criminal, update status, and return all the list of criminals. There are three methods. Okay. Okay, now jump to the actual app, public static void main, standalone app. You see criminal service, we created object, and first we are sending data. First criminal name ID is 1, and his name is Ravi. What is the crime he committed? It is the theft. He is a thief. Next criminal name is second. His name is Kiran. He is the frauder. Okay, he commits the fraud crime. So you see, we are going to update the status for the first for criminal ID 1, Ravi. He is arrested. You see, We are updating service dot update status 1 comma status arrested. Kiran is not yet arrested, is on the loose. Police have to get him. So display all criminal data. So we are iterating the for loop here. You see criminal C service dot get all system dot intel, and you see C dot get ID, get name, get crime, get status. So you are just printing that data here. Now, this is a simple standalone application. You can also use React.js here if you want. We can create a simple UI using a React.js, as I already explained, but for simplicity we are explaining the standalone application. Now you got it right, so that way you will update this. This is a simple example how you can actually create a record a crime and insert criminal data, load criminal data, update the status. You can also search the criminal information, right? You can search it. Where you are searching it, you see update the search functionality. You did not call the so get criminals. Where are you calling? Okay, service dot get criminals. Okay, here display all the criminals here. You are going to create it, right? And where are you using it? So the find by ID, this scenario is not used for now. Where did we use here? Find by ID, find the criminal by ID. Okay, update status. So here we are using it. Find by ID. We are actually using the search functionality for a particular. Whenever you want to update the status of particular criminal, you are going to invoke this find by ID and then updating it. Okay. So how many criminals you can insert 16 rows. They can be 16 or 18 depending on the data. Okay, that way you can actually do that. I hope this simple example would be helpful for you. Thank you for listening.